Hey, sixth graders, we are going to finish up Chapter 1, Section 1, Whole Number Operations with Example 3, Dividing Whole Numbers with No Remainder. Okay, so first we have a word problem here. It says you make 24 equal payments for a go-kart. You pay a total of $840. How much is each payment? Okay, so we know that there's groups of 20. We know there's groups of 24 and $480. So we need to find the quotient of 840 and 24. So we're going to be doing some long division. So over here, I have a little mnemonic device here to help us remember the steps for long division. And the little phrase to help you remember is dirty monkeys smell bad, which they probably do. And dirty monkeys smell bad stands for divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Okay, so here's how this works. I know that I'm going to be working with multiples of 24. So I'm actually going to type out my multiples of 24 so I know, so it's a little bit easier later on. Okay, so multiples of a number is, okay, so the first multiple would be 24. 1 times 24 is 24. 2 times 24, or 24 plus 24, is 48. Add another 24 would be 72. Add another one is 96. And add another one is 120. Now, 24 isn't on your multiplication chart, so you could use a calculator to add 24 over and over again, or just do it, do the math on the side of your paper or something like that. Okay, so let's really get started here. So dirty, divide. We are going to see if can 24 go into 8. 8 is our first number. So we're going to act like we're covering up the 4 and the 0 with our finger. So can 24 go into 8? No, it can't, because 24 is bigger than 8. So I'm going to slide my cursor over and just cover up the 0. Can 24 go into 84? Is 24 less than 84? Yes, it is. So now we need to find out how many times can 24 go into 84. Well, let's look at our multiples of 24. Okay, so 24 goes into 84, yes, so that's 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Oh, 96 is greater than or bigger than 84, so 24 cannot go into 84 4 times. It goes into 84 3 times. So we want to get as close to 84, but not over. So 24 goes into 84 3 times, so I'm going to put my 3 directly above the 4. And again, it's important to line these up exactly. So that was divide. Now multiply. Now we multiply 3 times 24. And let's see, 3 times 24, 1 times 24, 2 times 24, 3 times 24 is 72. So I'm going to write my 72 directly below 84. Dirty monkeys smell. Smell stands for subtract. Now we're going to take 84 minus 72. Okay. Let's see. 4 things, take away 2 of them is 2. Again, making sure that I line up my numbers here as best I can. And then 7, take away 1 is, 8, take away 7 is 1. Okay, so we're left with 12. Bad, bring down. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. So first of all, can 24 go into 12? No, 24 is bigger than 12, so it can't go into it. So now, bad, bring down. We're going to bring down this 0. So I'm going to do the best I can to draw a little arrow here. We're going to bring down the 0. And my 12 becomes 120. And then we start over again. We divide. 24 divided by 120. How many times does 24 go into 120? Well, let's look at our multiples over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly 5 times. 120 is a multiple of 24. So our 5 goes up here above our 0. So we divided. Now, monkeys, multiply. we're going to multiply 5 times 24. Okay, let's count our multiples again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 120. And I'm going to write my 120 down below. And then smell, subtract. So we're going to subtract 120 minus 120. And that, of course, is 0. And we have nothing left to bring down. We're all done. So we know that 840 divided by 24 is 35. Okay, let's give this a try again. I'm going to bring down our little steps, maybe, to our next problem. 234 divided by 9. Okay, and again, we're going to do long division. So we're going to use our dirty monkey smell bad trick. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Excuse me. And I'm going to type out my multiples of 9 just so we have that as a reference. Again, oops, you could look at a multiplication table. I'm just going to type it out here so that we have it and it's good to go. Okay, there's a few of them. Maybe we'll need more, maybe not. We'll see. Okay, first step. 9. I'm going to cover up my last 2 digits. Can 9 go into 2? No, it can't. 2 is smaller than 9, so that won't work. I'm going to move my cursor over so we see another number. Okay, can 9 go into 23? Yes, it can. Let's see how many times it can go into 23. Remember, we want to get as close to 23 as we can, but not over. Okay, let's see. 1, 2. Oh, just 2 times because 27 is more than 23. So my 2 goes above the 3. So we divided. Now let's multiply. 2 times 9 is 18. So my 18 is going to go below. And then subtract. So I'm going to make this a subtraction problem here. Bring down my bar and my subtraction symbol. Okay, 23 take away 18. Okay, let's look at our ones place. 3 take away 8. We can't do that. We need to do some borrowing. I'm going to borrow from my 2. So my 2 becomes a 1. This is going to get a little cramped here, so I apologize. And my 3 becomes 13. Ooh, can't really see that. Yeah, that's a little better. Okay, so 13 take away 8 is 5. And 1 take away 1 is 0. Okay. Can 9 go into 8? Can 9 go into 5? No, it can't. So we're going to bring down our next number, which is 4. So my 5 becomes 54. Oh, there we go. Okay, and then we're back to divide. Dirty. 54 divided by 9. How many times does 9 go into 54? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exactly 6 times. So my 6 goes above the 4. 6 times 9 is, 6 times 9, let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 54. 9 times 6 is 54. Oops. And then we subtract. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. I just sneezed on our recording. Whew. I apologize for that. I was trying to hold it in, but I just couldn't do it. 54 minus 54 is 0. And we're done. So 234 divided by 9 is 26. Okay, good luck with your problems, and let me know if you have questions.